You've been caught. Why must you do that? What did this stick ever do to you?
Come into the water. It's nice.
There's no water here. Stop fibbing.
I don't need this to swim.
Watch out for the sea dwellers. What is happening?
They got me, Equius.
No. No, they didn't. Stop fooling around. Ah! My wood. Stop that. Would you cease? Oh. I think you must end your foolishness.
What are you doing? Oh no, I'm dead. You murdered me.
Would you like a cucumber? Was that act a little sour of me?
That's lame.
That's the best I've got.
Oops, I did it wrong. Hey. I'm not gonna break it. Look at this.
Oh my
We're
gosh,
in it.
this is two people in the shot at once.
How did this happen? Where am I staring?
What are you trying to do?
I just noticed that one of my eyes was like looking off, and I'm like, am I cross-eyed? Am I making a
No,
dirt
you
face?
were looking here and then you glanced at the lens. That's
Yes.
what probably happened.
The sunlight looks so nice on you, Equius. How are you not dying? It's Equius. He's in the hood. He's in the hood.
Came out.
And no, it never went in.
It's not even.
Of
My
course
horns
not.
aren't even, so it won't stay.
Poor Babu. It's okay. You broke it!
There's so much cloud cover and yet the sun is peeking through brilliantly. How are you dwelling in this cape? I don't understand.
I thought it was going to be chilly, so I brought the cape.
That's why I brought this hoodie, and I am...
Toasty.
I'm warm.
I am perfectly fine. I love this cape. And also, if we're going on an adventure, I need to look like this.
Oh, I suppose so. Yes, that's much more appropriate.
I can do this.
Ow. You want to stab me in the face with pointy things.
I did that one on purpose.
Oh.
Where'd he go? Did you find wildlife? Now we can either go to the right or we can go to the left. Or Equius likes to mark his own trail. Take the road not taken. I'm gonna be more civil and just walk down an actual path. Is that a wild Equius behind me? The wild Equius has found me. Don't give me that look.
Shoot, you can see what my expressions are.
Yes, my transition was so smooth, I'm sorry.
Not that again.
Yes, where'd you go?
Look at this funny little guy. Are you ready? Watch him jump. Hey.
Oh. What was that?
You'll never know. It's gone.
Oh, thank you, kind sir.
Our path is becoming more natural as we go.
Yes. Shows how many people have trekked down here.
You can see it. No, oh, it's gone. I'm trying to locate another. Look at this mud. It looks so awful.
Mud pie.
Oh, yes. Enticing, is it not?
Very.
It reminds me of 12 Terez's Eve.
You know what? You're right. Except I never was able to celebrate it. Because, you know, my lussus couldn't really get out of the egg to go find a behemoth leaving. You insensitive prick.
You could have created your own. You're an imaginative person.
I drew it on the wall.
Exactly. They look hilarious. They look like pickup sticks. Or that game where you drop the ball, it bounces, and you pick up the jacks.
Yes, that's called jacks.
Oh.
It looks like it's raining, but it's not. Did I scare them good enough?
No. In fact, I think you enticed them to come closer.
Yay!
I am the slime. I fell into that trap as well.
I'm magnificent.
You really are truly magnificent.